Hello everybody, welcome. Today I want to show you how I make mayonnaise using only 3 ingredients, no more, homemade, uh, you know, old style, uh, not using any type of tools, but this little handy spatula and a bowl and the ingredients. That's all. It's very simple. I do this. I do it this way for more than 30 years. So yeah, right. You kind of can guess how old I am now, but whatever. And you cannot say, mayonnaise is like healthy, it's good for you. It is good for you, right? Because we like it. But it's, it's homemade. You make it and you know exactly what you put in it. I'm gonna show you. So what do you need? Usually I use a deeper bowl, but now for the purpose of this video, and so you will be able to better see what I'm doing and what how it's going. I use this bowl that is not that deep. Also I need an egg, some mustard, and oil. That's it. Only 3 ingredients. And I need to tell you, the eggs, this egg, it's quite fresh and like cold, if you know what I mean. So usually I store the eggs in the fridge, like most of the Europeans. I know in some parts of the world people just store it on the counter or somewhere else, but it's cold from the fridge. Also, the mustard that I'm using, this is a Romanian brand that I could find it here in a shop, in a Polish shop actually, in UK. Let's talk about globalization here a minute. And it's very thick, right? So it doesn't have a lot of preservative, except on the label says no preservatives, but but still it's like a thick mustard paste, right? It's not like a runny one. So the content of water is quite low. The ones that are you find them for to use in burgers and stuff like that, they're kind of runny, yeah, right? But this one, no. So I'm just gonna put, I don't know if you see the consistency. Yeah, it's like quite like thick, right? Look at it. It looks nice, huh? It smells nice as well, right? So I'm just gonna put this, is like a teaspoon here in my bowl, and the egg yolk from the egg. I'm not even put the whole egg, right? Okay, so let me try to do this now. Separate the egg yolk. I try to take to be careful because I don't want it to break on me, right? So I just pop it there. So this will be the main body, right? So that's all for now. I'm just gonna stir a little bit. Can you see it? It's so simple. So I will do this for, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. So everything will be mixed. Yeah. I always use porcelain, or I don't like to use metal dishes for this. This is how I learn, and this is what I find um, that works better for me. And drip by drip, I'm gonna start pouring oil. But the oil, because I'm starting with a very small quantity, I will put, of course, small quantity of oil, right? You see, it's like a teaspoon, just to start. And the secret for a very nice mayonnaise, and so they will actually come together, is to stir in the same direction, right? So I'm right-handed, so I will just do it the same direction. I will never go the other way. If I do that, they will break, cut. Yeah. So you can't see too much now. It's like, oh, okay. It looks the same, almost, but not really. Because as you can see, it starts to form. Yeah. just a little bit. Yeah. For me, I really like to make mayonnaise and stuff like this because it's quite, you know, therapeutic in a way. And you see it starts to double its size. You can see the oil around, and when I'm stirring here, it's like running towards the center. Very easy, very simple. So bit by bit I put more and more and more oil, but I'm careful to stir it in the same direction, right? In case if this one cuts or something goes wrong with it, I did find, you know, learn from my mom, from my grandma, to just put like a splash of salt, but just a splash of salt, or add more mustard paste. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but if the egg is fresh, if the mustard is okay and everything, you know, you do it like this, nothing can go wrong. Yeah, what do you need actually is to have confidence when doing this, right? Look at that color. Yeah, when I was child, you know, a child in my grandma's home, and we would do this, and you know, for different recipes, I would use free range chicken eggs, and the color were like, you know, like orangey almost because of the egg yolk. But I'm happy, I'm content with this type of eggs that I'm using now, even if they are store-bought, they're just fine, right? Okay, I think you can see. Yeah, I can speed up everything. It's in a wrist. Yeah, I can speed up. I should, huh? You should try it, you know. Why I'm doing this now, and I do this video because I try to share with you some recipes of some spreads, you know, that I'm going to do later. And because I need to add the mayonnaise to it, I said to myself, okay, let me show you how I actually do the mayonnaise, because, you know, it takes 5-10 minutes, 15, depending on the quantity you want to make. Of course, if you want to do like a, you know, big quantity or so, you just you know, double the quantities, you know. And it's very good, you know, because you know what it is. You know what it is in it. True, I do use mayo from, you know, from the store. Sometimes, you know, I'm in a hurry, or, you know, it's more convenient sometimes. But usually I really like to do it myself. And if I just want it as it is, you know, for different sandwiches or so, I just keep it in a jar in a fridge for, I don't know, a couple of days, no more. Yes, but it never lasts more than a couple of days anyway, because we really like it. Now, so you see, I'm doubling the quantity of oil, and everything, it's growing. It's so satisfying to me to see that from just a teaspoon of mustard and an egg yolk and oil, something grows and grows under our eyes. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell how thick this is. Look, you see, it's like almost like a cream. It's like almost standing up by itself. It's very good. So I will do this, and after I finish, maybe you will try it. I hope you do, really. I hope you do, because it's very tasty as well. And I will do that recipe for a cauliflower spread, because this is what I crave for a long time, and I was like, okay, even this is, you know, it's not that good for me. I will do it because I'm craving it for a long time. So I deserve it. I deserve it. Right? So you can do as much as you want. Keep on adding oil and nice movements and confidence, as I said before. Because sometimes can be scary when you see that it looks like it's gonna break, you know, it's gonna break or so it's gonna cut. No, it'll be fine. You just keep on doing it. Yeah. Should I put more? Because I just don't want to do too much. Yeah. Nice and easy. Like I like it. Look at that. Can you see it? Where are you guys? Look. You know how lovely this is. And we use it, you know, for sandwiches, for different spreads, for different salads. And of course we decorate. We decorate with it different traditional festive, you know, dishes. I think I'm going to show you bit by bit. Yeah, so that will be all. I don't want to keep you from you know, going to do your own mayonnaise. I will end up this video, but I cannot you know, stress enough how easy it is to make just with 3 ingredients, and how good it is for you. Okay, you have to try it, and I'll be honest with you, it's much more cost effective than buying from the store. Okay, this white egg, I'll keep it. I use it in some other recipes, and you know, it's good. I'm not gonna throw it away, right? So don't you think this is a waste? It's not a waste, right? Okay, see you guys on the next videos. I hope you're well, and I hope you enjoy this little recipe that I you know, put together for you. Okay, see you. Kiss kiss. Be safe. Bye and cheers.